was so sad. Saints going Super Bowl! No, I'm not a Saints fan. But Saints are going to the Super Bowl. Amazing kick. Yeah, see that kick. On the remote. Where's the remote? One off. There it is. On the ground. What kick again? Let's watch it. No, back. Back. Jeez, how fucking long did I go back? Wait, damn it. Go back to that. Okay, let's go back to that play where I kicked field goal. Oh, too long. Okay. So I'm gonna have to go back real fast once I come on back. Let's see the Saints here. First Super Bowl appearance in franchise history. Good job, Saints, and good luck.